Good morning, my dear children. How are you today? I am Agrawal Miss, your maths teacher. In today's maths class, we learn addition of mixed number. So note down C.W date and day over your page number 7373. So let's start. Sumi used 2 into 1 by 2 meter of clothes to stitch a dress, while Pari used 3 into 1 by 4 meter of cloth to stitch another dress. How much cloth did they use in all? सुमी ने 2 into 1 by 2 मीटर क्लोथ का इस्तेमाल किया एक ड्रेस बनाने को, और उधर परी ने 3 into 1 by 4 मीटर क्लोथ यूज किया ड्रेस बनाने में. तो हमें दोनों फ्रेंड्स ने कितने मीटर कपड़ा यूज किया है ड्रेसेस बनाने में, यह हमें फाइंड आउट करनी है. सो टू एड मिक्स नंबर वी फर्स्ट चेंज देम इनटू इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. मिक्स नंबर को फर्स्टली हम इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. तो यूज फॉर्मूला डिनोमिनेटर इनटू होल नंबर प्लस न्यूमरेटर अपॉन डिनोमिनेटर, विच इज denominator is 2 into whole number is this 2 plus numerator is 1 and denominator is 2. So 2 into 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. So we get 5 by 2, and then we also convert this mixed number into improper fraction. So we use formula denominator into whole number which is 3 plus numerator which is 1 and upon denominator which is 4. So 3 into 4 is 12, 12 plus 1 is 13. So we get 13 upon 4 as a improper fraction. Then next step is we change them into a like fraction by finding LCM of the denominators. So LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. So 5 by 2 equals to 10 by 4 and 13 by 4 equals to 13 by 4. So we add both these numbers, we get 23 by 4. Then lastly, in third step, we change this number into a mixed number by divide 4 by 23. Okay, then we get quotient 5, divisor 4, and the remainder is 3. So we use formula QRD. Q means quotient, quotient is 5, remainder means 3, and the divisor is 4. So we get as the answer 5 into 3 by 4. So Sumi and Pari use 5 into 3 by 4 meter of cloth all together. Okay. So students, take out your notebook and note down question number 2 of exercise 4E mind gym in your notebook. So our question is add and write the answer as a mixed number. 1 into 1 by 4 plus 4 into 1 by 4. To add mixed number, first we change them into an improper fraction. So converting mixed number into improper fraction, we use a formula denominator into whole number plus numerator upon denominator. So we have mixed number as a 1 into 1 by 3. So we get denominator is 3 into whole number is this 1 plus numerator plus 1 upon denominator is 3. So 3 into 1, 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 upon 3 is a improper fraction. And another number is 4 into 1 by 4. So we get denominator is 4, whole number is also 4 plus numerator is 1 upon 4. So we get 4 into 4 is 16, 16 plus 1 is 17 upon 4. Then we find LCM of denominators. Which is 3 and 4, which is equals to 12. How we get 12? 3 and 4. 3 ones are 3 and 4 remain as it is. Then 4, 1, 4 ones are 4. 3 into 4 equals to 12. So we get 12 as a LCM. Then four into 3 plus 17 upon 4. We multiply. We have 12 at the denominator. So we multiply 3 with 4 and also with 4. So we get 16 upon 12 and 17 upon 4 into 3. In 17 into 3 we get 3 sevens are 21. 2, 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 15 upon 12. Then we add both this number, 16 upon 12 plus 51 upon 12. 16 plus 51. So what we get? 6 plus 1 is 7 and 5 plus 1 is 6. So we get 67 upon 12. Then in the third step, lastly we change the sum into a mixed number. We have to change this number into a mixed number. Change into a mixed number. We divide 12 by 67 by 12. 12 fives are 60. We have 7. Then we use formula QRD. This is quotient, this is divisor and this is remainder. Q is 5, R is 7 and this is 12. So we get answer is 5 into 7 upon 12. Understood? Then we have to move upon question number B. So what we have? 6 into 1 by 5 plus 3 into 1 by 2. First we use formula D into whole number plus numerator upon denominator. So what we get? D is 3, whole number is 6, numerator is 1 and D is 3. Understood? Then 3 into 6 is 18, 18 plus 1 is 19, 19 upon 3. And 3 into 1 by 2. D into whole number plus numerator upon denominator. So, denominator is 2, whole number is 3 and the numerator is 1 and the denominator is 2. So, what we get? We get 2 into 3 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7 and 7 by 2. Okay. Then next step is we have to find LCM of the denominator. LCM of denominator 3 and 2. LCM of 3 and 2 is 3 and 2. 3 ones are 3. 3 into 2 is 6. What is the LCM? 6. So, 19 upon 3 plus 7 by 2. 19 अपॉन 3 इंटू 2 इंटू 2। एलसीएम 6 है तो हमें नीचे 6 चाहिए, इसलिए हमने 3 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया। जहां हम डिनोमिनेटर को जिस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं उसी से हम न्यूमरेटर को भी करते हैं। तो 19 इंटू 2 38 अपॉन 6 एंड 7 अपॉन 2 को हम करेंगे 2 इंटू 3, 7 into 3. So what we get? 7 into 3 is 21 upon 6. Okay. Then we add these numbers 38 upon 6 plus 21 upon 6. So we get here 6, 38 plus 21. So we get 59 upon 6. Then the last step is change into mixed number. Change improper fraction into mixed number. So what is the answer? 59 upon 6 we divide 59 by 6. 6 nines are 54. So we use here formula quotient into remainder upon denominator. Quotient is 9, remainder is 5 and the divisor is 6. So we get 9 into 5 by 6. So what we get? We solve first and another example, then we solve question number B. So what we get? 9 into 5 by 6. Then we solve question number B. Question number B is just like a example. We solve above 6 into 1 by 5 plus 3 into 1 by 2. First we change this mixed number into a improper fraction. Change. We write solution here. Change mixed number into improper fraction. 6 into 1 by 5. We use formula denominator into whole number plus numerator upon denominator. So what is the denominator? 5, whole number is 6 and numerator is 1 and the denominator is 5. 5 into 6 is 30, 30 plus 1 is 31 upon 5. And 3 into 1 by 2 we get 2 into 3 plus 1 upon 2. 2 into 3 is 6 plus 1 upon 2 we get 7 upon 2. Then we add these two numbers 31 upon 5 plus 7 upon 2. Find LCM of 5 and 2. LCM of 5 and 2. Five ones are 5, 2 ones are 2. 5 into 2 equals to 10. So LCM is 10. 31 upon 5. हमें डिनोमिनेटर में 10 चाहिए, इसलिए हम 5 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और हम न्यूमरेटर को भी 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। 2 1 जा 2, 2 3 जा 6 and 5 upon 10. Okay. Then 7 upon 2 into LCM is 10. So we multiply 2 by 5 and 7 by 5. So what we get? 35 upon 10. Then we add 62 by 10 plus 35 by 10. Okay. Then another step is we write denominator at once. 62 plus 35. 62 plus 35 is how much? 3 and 5 is 7 and 6 and 3 is 9. 97 upon 10. Then we change improper fraction into a mixed number. So what we get? We have to perform here division. 10 into 10 divided by 97 divided by 10. 10 9s are 90. So we get mixed number formula QRD. Quotient is 9, remainder is 7 and the divisor is 10. So answer is 9 into 7 by 10. So student, like this you have to solve question number A and B into your notebook carefully. Then problem number C, D, E, F, G, H we solve in next class. So students, आज हमने only 2 questions ही solve किए because it is a very lengthy process and आपको समझ में भी अच्छे से आनी चाहिए, इसलिए हम बाकी के क्वेश्चन नेक्स्ट क्लास में सॉल्व करेंगे। तब तक आप लोग इन प्रॉब्लम्स की घर पे प्रैक्टिस करिए और अपना ख्याल रखिए। थैंक यू, बाय बाय।